Now we are coming on fourth part of question number 3, exercise 3.3. The question is, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of a 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? See here in this question, if suppose a person is traveling less than a kilometer, then also he has to pay some fixed amount. Or if he is traveling more than a kilometer, then along with the fixed charge plus charge per kilometer, he has to pay in total. Fixed charge, if a person sits on the taxi, then whether he is traveling more than a kilometer or less than a kilometer, that doesn't matter. He has to pay fixed charge along with the charge per kilometer. Here two kind of charges are there, and these two charges will be added together to pay the taxi. Now suppose that fixed charge is rupees X. This a person has to pay. This is must. And then charge per kilometer be rupees Y. It means that if a person is traveling 1 kilometer, so he has to pay Y rupees along with the fixed charge X. So Y plus X it will be. If suppose that a person is traveling 2 kilometer, then for traveling 2 kilometer, charge per kilometer will be 2 into Y, that is 2Y. But this 2Y will be added to the fixed charge, 2Y plus X. In total, he has to pay this to the taxi. See here, case first, fixed charge. What I am saying is, fixed charge a person has to pay. It is must. Fixed charge plus distance travelled. How much distance he is travelling into charge per kilometer. Fixed charge plus distance travelled into charge per kilometer. It is equal to total charge paid. Like this. Now in first case it is given that a person is travelling 10 kilometer. So fixed charge, it is X. This is must. Plus the person has travelled 10. So 10 will be there. Charge per kilometer, we have assumed it as Y. So 10 will get multiplied by Y. X plus 10Y. And total amount in first case the person has paid to the taxi is 105. So X plus 10Y, it becomes 105. Say this one as the first equation. Now second equation, the same way. Fixed charge a person has to pay plus distance travelled into charge per kilometer. It is equal to total amount paid to the taxi. Fixed charge will remain same, that is X. In second case, the person has travelled 15 kilometer. So 15 will get multiplied by Y. Charge per kilometer is Y. So 15 will get multiplied by Y. X plus 15Y, it is equal to 155. It is given that for 15 kilometer, person has paid 155 rupees. So second equation is X plus 15Y is equal to 155. Now what we have done is, we have find out value of X in terms of Y. We have taken this 15Y to the next side, then it will be subtracted from 155. So X is equal to 155 minus 15Y. This is third equation. Now we will substitute this value of X is equal to 155 minus 15Y in first, in this equation. In place of X, now we will write down this. X is equal to 155 minus 15Y from third. Now see here, in place of X, 155 minus 15Y plus 10Y is equal to 105. This our first equation becomes. Now what we have done is 155 we have taken to the next side, then it becomes 105 minus 155 and minus 15Y plus 10Y. We have to find out their difference, as one is negative and one is positive. So their difference is 5Y, and as 15 is greater, having negative sign, so we have to place minus sign before 5Y. Or minus 5Y is equal to 155 minus 105, it is 50. As minus 155 is greater, there is a negative sign before it, so we have to place minus sign before 50. Now minus sign on left hand side and right hand side will be cancelled out, and Y is equal to 50 upon 5. We have taken this Y from left hand side to the right hand side. So we have got value of Y as 10 upon 1, or 10 upon 1 can be written as 10. This is our equation 4th. We have got value of Y as a 10. Now this value of Y as a 10 we will put in equation 3 to to get value of x. See here how we have done it. Now putting y is equal to 10 in equation 3, or x is equal to 155 minus 15 into 10, or x is equal to 155 minus 15 tens are 150, or x is equal to 5. It means fixed charge, that is x, it is rupees 5. We have got it from equation 5th. And charge per kilometer, that is y, we have got it from 4th. This is rupees 10. Now in question it is asked that if a person has to travel for 25 kilometer, then what amount he has to pay to the taxi. Now we'll do it. Fixed charge he has to give in all the conditions. Now plus distance travelled into charge per kilometer. Fixed charge we have got 5 rupees, that is 5 plus. In this case the person has to travel 25, so within bracket plus 25 into charge per kilometer, it is 10, so 25 into 10 is equal to 5 plus 250, and when we are adding it we are getting 255. So the person has to pay rupees 255 to travelling 25 kilometers.